Adding the oyster and the oil. Adding the water mixed little powder. Adding the egg. Adding the vegetable. And fry it. Turn it and fry.
In 1661, the Dutch army seized Tainan, and Quan Gongzhen led his troops to attack from the Lurmen, and wanting to recover the lost territory. In the fight, Quan Gongzhen defeated the Netherlands fast. With anger, Netherlands army hid all the rice. Zheng army had no food, so they used local foods in Tainan such as oysters and sweet potato powder, and mixed those foods with water to do pancakes. Finally, it became Taiwan's popular snack. By the way, according to the book from China, it records that oyster omelet was the food of Fujian. This is another theory about oyster omelet.
According to the legend, oyster omelet was a creative cuisine which was invented from poor society. It is a substitute food which was created by people to substitute rice when they are poor and hungry. And it is a symptom for poor life. Basically, Guangdong, Fujian, and Taiwan are from the same roots, so they have the same diet. Although Chinese people live in an impoverished and chaotic economic environment, they still show the strong vitality of Chinese people to us. This is the reticular of our Taiwan society.
Its cultural characteristics not only exist at early time period, but also develop with time. At early Taiwan, for example, in the beginning of time when national government ruled Taiwan, most of the economic sources of the government were coming from United States, so the price of rice was expensive. Most of people could not afford it, so they used the local ingredients to make oyster omelettes, just like cuttlefish, shrimps, and vegetables. Nowadays, the materials of making oyster omelettes are more complicated than before. The oyster omelettes not only confirm the process of development of Taiwan, but also shows the food specialties which are combined with Taiwan.